You've never coded microcontrollers so fast before. Let's create a deep IoT project. First, using C language with AI. Now, let's create the same deep IoT project using Smowcode with pre-tested libraries and pre-tested framework. Save time with Smowcode. 100% integrated industry grade IDE for professionals with debugging, versioning, build tools. Smowcode will integrate with your compliance tools, code pipelines, production and assembly processes, testing framework, test jigs, flashing in production assembly. This time, make rapid development actually possible. Get Smowcode for your team.